To express the quadratic equation 2x squared over 5 minus 3x over 4 plus 1 over 2 equals to 0 in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, we will have to clear the fractions. And to clear the fraction, we multiply through by the LCM of 5, 4, and 2, the lowest common denominator of 5, 4, and 2, which is 20. So that gives 20 times 2x squared over 5 minus 20 times 3x over 4 plus 20 times 1 over 2. And 20 times 0 gives 0. So 5 goes in 20 to give us 4 times 2x squared. Then 4 goes in 20 to give us 5 times 3x. And 2 goes in 20 to give us 10 times 1, and that's equals to 0. So 8x squared minus 15x when we multiply plus 10 equals to 0. This is the form we are looking for. So when we compare with the general form or with the standard form of quadratic equations, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is 8, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is negative 15, coefficient of x, and c is 10. In the second one, we have x squared equals to 1.2x plus 0.75. We will first have to rearrange this. And by rearranging, we mean we subtract 1.2x and 0.75 from both sides. This simply means that we have x squared minus 1.2x minus 0.75 on the left hand side and 0 on the right hand side. Then we turn all the decimal fractions into common fractions. So we have x squared minus 12 over 10x minus 75 over 100 equals to 0. And then we reduce them to their lowest terms. X squared minus 6x over 5 and minus 3 over 4 for 75 over 100 equals to 0. This time around, we can then multiply by the lowest common denominator of 5 and 4. That's 20. So we multiply through by 20 to give us 20 times x squared minus 20 times 6x over 5 minus 20 times 3 over 4. And 20 times 0 on the right hand side is 0. So we have 20x squared. 5 in 20 gives 4. So we have minus 4 times 6x. And 4 in 20 gives 5. So that's minus 5 times 3 equals to 0. And that gives 20x squared minus 24x minus 15 equals to 0. So to be able to simplify or evaluate the expression given to us, we will need to compare with the general form or the standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So here a is 20, b is negative 24, and c is negative 15. So to then evaluate 2a minus 5b over c, we substitute their values. That's 2 times 20 for 2a minus 5 times negative 24 for 5b over negative 15 for c. And that gives 2 times 20 is 40, minus times minus there is plus, 5 times 24 is 120 over minus 15. And 40 plus 120 is 160 over minus 15, and we reduce to the lowest term by dividing by 5, so giving us negative 32 over 3. Don't forget to share with as many people as need this.